nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
Final game of our third game day dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live here inside Banana Court, Baron Mercado covering the action as our 11 game slate has been productive, has been fun. We have seen a couple of players, a couple of teams, really impressive. And for the first time, we are going to watch Davao RSGT Boulders. Meanwhile, Region 2 Tuguegarao Hoopers will look to make it up dun sa kanilang heartbreaker of a loss against Fabs Pampanga. Gandang laban yon on our 5th game of today. Talagang inabangan ng marami yung resulta ng Region 2 at ng Fabs, but ultimately it was Fabs Pampanga winning that contest. For Davao, dito natin makikita ngayon kung ano yung kanilang magiging strategy, kung ano ang magiging approach nila, as I believe tomorrow magkakaroon sila ng laban sa ating final day of eliminations. So we have 4 days of elimination. Yung unang 2 araw natin, that was the first placers, yung mga tinalo or yung mga natalo sa finals, yun ang naglaro for the first 2 days. Ngayon tsaka bukas, lahat ng mga napanood natin ngayon, yung iba merong mga laban na, yung mga merong 2 laban na, that is I believe the coverage for them, that's the action na para sa kanila. So if you go down 0-2, that's goodbye already. If you go 1-1, aasa ka sa quotient system. And of course, kung 2-0 ka naman, mas mataas na yung pagkakataong makatawid ka sa semifinals that will happen on Friday. Macmagay makes the free throw. 3-2 is our score. Pulls up for 3. Had a good stroke. Flying out of mid-air there. And now looking for this layup. Merong whistle ang referees. Three to 2 ang ating score dito sa Region 2 Hoopers. Susubukang makabawi. Three to 2 is our score. Davao looking for the lead here for the first time. As guys in white, ito impressive. Javier has been all over this Region 2 offense. Kung ako gagawa ng percentage, around 60% of their offensive getting in for that basket. Itong si Javier. Five to 2 ang ating talaan dito. Javier on that bump, passes it inside. 5 minutes 20 remaining. Magay, di makasingit sa ilalim. Now pushing the pace once again. Guys from Davao stepping on the baseline. Wala na. Couldn't count. As we exchange turnovers there. Turnover sa Davao, turnover sa Tuguegarao. Pero itong mga players from RSGT Boulders will have the last say here. Kanilang possession. Another clean look. Yung mga ganyang tira, mga nangangapa pa yan. Usually, later, we can hope and see those shots eventually go in. Look at that play, better defense by the guys wearing white. Javier all the way. And that has been the recipe for success dito sa Tuguegarao. Always that Javier run and basket. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
4 minutes 25 sa ating opening quarter. Region 2 having a good start at ayan na, starting to fall down those outside shots. Bitaw pa lang, I can see that he is really one of their best shooters and now takes the ball away. Javier with a tap. Nice balance by Javier on that last one. Breaking the defense. Magay! Strength on strength display. Running through this one. Cobalies. Nice spin. Almost losing his balance. Javier pulls up. Missing on the front iron. Making their move. What a read on that swipe. See ya later. Magay down low. Too strong. 11-7 with 3:15 remaining. Tuguegarao at Davao going back and forth we go. Alam na ni Lumanag, pagbitaw pa lang, that is automatic. Ganito mga taga Davao, first time pa lamang natin napapanood. Meanwhile, Region 2, we have a taste on what's on their offense. Takad scoring his first two. 13-9 is our score. With the 2 minutes 30. Kicks it out. A 3 off the mark. Going for the run once again. Nakakuha ng buwelo, all the way he goes. 15-9. Balansag will use this pick. Sends it again. Lumanag. One-hander. Cannot get that roll. After hitting that 3 from that corner, Lumanag still looking to continue to find yung kanyang scoring range. Cobalies with a cross. 1-2 step. Merong foul na itatawag again. This is in the under 21 division. Yung ating mga kuya dito sa ating tournament, making it count in this ball game. Again, 11 game schedule. Ganon kadami ang ating laro. 22 teams. Or I should say at least 14 teams playing for today dahil meron tayong mga repeat na koponan tulad nitong Davao na naglaro kanina, yung ating previous contest, both of them playing a game earlier. Zamboanga winning their second game today. Lumanag for 3. That time it's short. Final minute remaining dito sa ating opening quarter, in a much better start on the side of Region 2. Itong mga taga Davao medyo nangangapa pa dito sa ating court. And of course, Junior MPBL action. Kanina, it was all Javier. Now, nakikita natin sila Magay, si Takad also scoring. Getting a lot of help. Itong si Javier as a Magay will be at the line. Knocks down the first one. Gets that gooseneck. Itong si Magay. 18-9 is our score. I see itong si Yi coming in. 2-3 zone. Let's see if they can break it. Either attack or score. No one was available on that pass. 18-9 is our score. Calling for a play. Itong si Ian also scoring kanina. Javier with 10 seconds to go. Bulldozes his way. He can hoop. Talking about Javier. And referees will call a foul with 1.3 seconds remaining. Malapit nang matapos ang ating opening quarter. Region 2 finishing this quarter on a high note after that Javier basket. And that is it. 21-9. Fast-paced action. A better start para dito sa kampo ng Region 2. Let's see, second quarter. Makuha na ng Davao ang kanilang momentum.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap,
second quarter. A start for Region 2 that they really want. Pero for Davao, that's a good way to enter a quarter, making a 3 with just seconds in. Babawi ba on that shot? Needing to wait. Now a chance to run once again. Fakes. Bitin. Follow up. Di pa rin. As dodging bullets left and right. Itong region number 2. Calls up a play. Sends it on the left side. Corner action. Narag couldn't complete that jumper. Now a pace. Yee on the finish. (21-14). 7-point lead. Javier once again on this zone defense. Nice read on that pass. 2 seconds to go on the shot clock. Not aware itong Region 2 Davao. Pagkakataong ibaba ang kanilang hinaharap na deficit dito. Last basket was courtesy of Yi of that break. Here he is once again. Thought about that shot. Nakakuha ng opportunity on that easy basket. Merong tapik pero merong foul. Escoto at the line. Knocks down the first. Sinks the second. 8-10 remaining. 21-16. 5 na lang. Hinahabol ng RSGT Davao.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan.
21-16. After the timeout, tignan natin kung makakuha ng maraming puntos itong Region 2. Ang ganda ng dukot on that reversal. Javier went low on that one. Spins, shoots, can convert. As Region 2 looking to push this lead to 10 points once again. Maybe 9 if they convert on a deuce. Finding their way. A 3 by Nara. Good! (26-16). Yi going for that cross. Jumper. Can't answer that 3-pointer by Narag. As they look to break in this game more. Sayang yung mga ganong action. Your point guard breaking the zone. Someone cutting in the middle. But when done perfectly, that is one of the best plays in basketball. Let's see if they can replicate that one. 3-pointer that is in and out. Just couldn't convert on that shot. Now bringing the ball down. Javier, he is trouble for the other teams. Magay inside. Mac Magay has now introducing himself into this contest. Kanina pa siyang first quarter gumagawa ng magagandang plays as that floater will not drop in as we are nearing the last 6 minutes. Poyos will be at the line. (28-6). Knocking down the first one is Poyos. Can't sink the second. 28-17. Almost losing the ball is Narag. Gives it to their point guard. Wants to use this pick. Looking at the clock, says 9 seconds. Zigzagging. Someone is open in this left side. Force the issue on that floater. Threads the needle on that pass. Poyos for 2. 28-19. Almost a steal. Narag on the run. Making Poyos fall down. Pero ang possession ay babalik dito sa Region 2. Pagaduan will use this pick. Narag for 3. Will be shooting 3 free throws. Itong si Narag has hit 1 3-pointer early. Looking to add points 4, 5, and 6 at the charity stripe. In and out. Second, good. 2 out of 3 from the line. 5 points para dito kay Narag. 4 minutes 38 to go. Poyos was rejected. A 3 by Inigo. He drills it. 8-point lead. Hinahabol ng Davao. Pagaduan will be called for that foul after losing that ball. Narag saying something to our referees. (30-22). Inigo hit that last 3. Goes for that drive na bangan, but that beautiful layup breaking through the defense. 30-24. Magay has been feasting down low, wanting to drive this time. Looking to make a stop ay itong RSGT Davao. Forced jumper, no problem. Was kind of shocked. Mac Magay made that jumper to go. 32-24. Poyos sets up for 3. Narag secures that rebound. Guarded by Inigo. Isa na naman para kay Magay. Kalubakib. Balik dito kay Magay. Here's Mac on the post. A bit of a bump. Kalubakib for 3. That is off to the left. Escobar couldn't handle. Referees says it was a foul, not a out of bounds violation, as Inigo will look to help his team here with 2 minutes 20 remaining into the first half. Down by 8, RSGT Davao. Thought about that shot, sends it on the left. Jumper is too strong, but will be shooting his free throws in. Knocks down both free throws. 32-26. A minute 50 remaining dito sa ating first half of action. Javier is back after that rest. Looking to break the defense with a cross. Sends it on the left side. In and out on that jumper. Again, going for the push once again. Nice pass, extra one. Corner, good on the jumper. Just like that, 4 na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Davao. Let's see how will this Region 2 squad from Tuguegarao finish this first half.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng
32-28. 4-point lead para sa Region 2. Davao looking to make a stop. Itong mga taga Tuguegarao needing to increase this lead. 7 seconds. Javier turns, shoots and scores. Kahit ako napapailing na lang sa ganda at galing ng ginagawa ng laro ni Javier today. Since the first game we've seen them against Fabs Pampanga until now, Javier has been amazing. Again, amazing to watch, amazing to cover. Looking to lead this team for a victory dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Provincial Leg Battle of Champions. Nakakuha ng pito on that attempt. Cobalies and company looking to talk things through. 28-34, 6-point lead. Misses on the first. Misses both. Bullet dodge by Region 2. 4 na lang sana ulit ang kalamangan. Again, Javier, the main man for Tuguegarao. Nice look. Goggles are out. And that is how difficult of a coverage itong si Javier can draw double, triple team. And sure yun, meron at merong ma-open sa kanila. Final 12 seconds to go. 2-second differential between shot and game clock. .7 seconds remaining. Loss on that pass. Chance to score the last points. Wala nang pagkakataon. 8-point lead. 36-28. Humabol ang Davao Javier says no. 36-28, we are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro.
(36-28), third quarter action. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Baron Mercado still covering the action. Our final game of our 11-game schedule. So far, first quarter, or I should say, first quarter, all Region 2 yung naganap doon, only allowing 9 points for Davao. Pero pagpalo naman ng ating second quarter, 19 points ang na-score ng Davao. Meanwhile, only 15 para dito sa Region number 2. Safe to say that is their best quarter yet. Dahil yun nga, nag-iinit pa lamang itong Davao. But let's see here on the second half of action, as there was a clear path foul, meaning 2 free throws and ball possession. Lowest Davao got was at 4. Let's see if they can cut the lead here even more. Traveling call was the assessment of our referees. 36-30. Javier looking to provide another big play. That time nabasa na ng Davao ang kanilang play. Looking to sky high for that block. Wasn't successful. Baba sa 4 ang hinahabol dito ng Davao. Again, scoring only 9 points in the opening quarter. Region number 2 scored 21 points, then finished the second quarter with a 36-point output, I should say total. Kaya naman ang ending ng kanilang puntos on that second quarter, 15 points. Davao slowly but surely getting their grooves in, knocking it down. 5 points. Lumanag now starting to get hot. Second 3-pointer for him. Javier calls for a clear out. Wants an isolation play. Goes, attacks, scores. One-on-one, there's nothing you can do. You always need to send a double team to stop Javier. Pass was read on that last play. Macmagay, let's see if you can have a good second half of action. Javier once again attempting a wraparound pass that was read. Lumanag attacks. Nice pass on the left. Masyadong bitin. Magay now with a counter run against 3 defenders na sandwich. And will shoot 2 free throws. Magay now at the line. Knocks down the first. (39-35). 4-point lead para dito sa Region 2. Looks for that pass. Balik dito kay Lumanag. A 3 open. Maybe 2 open on that shot. Couldn't hit that jumper. Magay doing the dirty work, putting the ball in again. 41-35. 5 minutes 55 remaining. Smooth shooter para dito kay Lumanag. Natividad has entered the game here, bringing some big bodies, as a foul will be called on Davao. (41-37). A steal on the other side. Goes, breaks the defense, and scores for that layup. (41-39). Magay attacks, waits for that defense. Nakaramdam ng konting bangga. Then just went up. Matt Magay will now be at the line here. Missing on the first. (42-39). Looking to swing the rock ay itong Davao. Once again, double teamed. Looking to hound them. Itong Region 2 defense and get that basket to go. 42-41. Magay once again. That time didn't get that call. A chance to take the lead for the first time. Itong Davao had a clean line for that 3. Looking to stop itong si Javier. Again, always a tough coverage. Talking about Javier. (42-41). Cabales uses that pick by Takad. Naka-score ng 2 points itong si Takad. Goes for that screen, that shot. Shot clock violation. As we are nearing the end of our third quarter, Davao looking to get the lead here and perhaps do the same na ginawa kanina ng Zamboanga. There you go, breaking that defense. Poyos gives them the lead. 3 minutes remaining into this third quarter. Ito na ba ang start for Davao? Or will Javier and company make this happen? Makes that reverse layup good. Ganda na nga. Dukot sa ilalim. Balik sa Region 2. Ang kalamangan 44-43. Nice pass. There you go. Ganun-ganun lang nabawi ng Davao. Yung kanilang kalamangan. Di pumasok yung basket. Nastakad. Goes inside and a player is down. Bagsak. One player of Region 2 here. After that takad basket. That was Makmakay. 2 minutes 09 remaining. Estonio. Muntik na nga maagaw yung kanilang pasa. 46-45. A minute 40 remaining dito sa ating quarter. A foul will be called here. Only the first team foul or second team foul on the side of Region 2. Looking to get the ball back. Again, Poyos gives them the lead. (47-46). Javier got stripped. Sasabihin ko sana, easiest 2 points. Nakahabol ang depensa. Made a bit of an adjustment. 8 seconds, or I could say, a foul. Nang itatawag at thought an 8-second call. (49-46). A lot of pushing on that last play. 40 seconds remaining. 49-46. Goes for that cross. 3 on the way. Oh! That's gotta hurt if you are Tuguegarao Hoopers. Suddenly that offense gone. Saktong-sakto. A subtle flex by Javier. Misses on the bonus. Biglang 8 na ang abante ng Davao. That's how fast this third quarter went. Only trailing by at least 4 earlier, now up by 8. 3 seconds to go. 1.1 seconds remaining. Offensive foul ang tawag. We'll have a shot here. 52-48. Davao surpassing their best quarter. 52-48, fourth quarter action coming up.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahal.
Fourth quarter action. Davao, tsaka itong Tugigaraw, Region 2. 4 points separates these two teams. Now Davao enjoyed their largest lead of the game earlier at least 6 to 8 points. Meanwhile, Region 2 looking to regain that lead back. Ito naman yung hindi nagawa kanina ng Leyte to regain the lead na nawala sa kanila. So far for Davao, once na feel or nang nakita na nila how to play in this gym, it's a different story. Better challenge by Javier. Looking to step in for this shot. 15 seconds to go on the shot clock. Magay wants an isolation. 8 seconds to go. Mac was stripped on the loose. Poyos, see you later. Took a look back and just went straight. Javier, tough basket maker. Even Comkit Picasso was impressed. Timeout is called.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang
54 to 52. Poyos and Javier having a duel so far in this fourth quarter. Elbow jumper was hit on the shooting arm. That's why the ball went on the right side of the court. Lumanag has shot his way into this game, helped Davao get that lead earlier. But that missed free throw won't help their cause. 54 to 52, make it 55 to 52. Takad receives this ball. Big boy brings the ball down. They gave it to their main man. Again, here is Javier, 4-3. Nice rebound. Better rejection by Lumanag. Takad, nice pass. Sana anticipated on the last one. That is a nice pass. That is a nice run-in. Those drop passes always being read by Davao in this second half of action. 7 minutes 15 ang nalalabi dito sa ating fourth quarter. Javier loses dribble. May tulak. Nakita ng ating referee on the baseline. 57-52. Javier is far. No one will receive. Now calling or asking for the challenge. Naka-score ang Region 2. 6 minutes 35 remaining. Looking to extend this lead ay itong Davao. Woohoo! Nice pass again. That was a tough look. I want to give them my glasses so that they can see what I saw on that last play. Lumanag with another good assist. Taguba versus Lumanag on this play. Taka jumper. That is off. 59-54. Bitin yung finish but a commendable effort. Here's Javier. Just a pure bucket getter. Turn around. Every time nakukuha ni Javier, Comkit Picasso says Kobe. And Javier doesn't disappoint. Missing on that three. Let's see if he can wow us again. Javier, jumper, and draws the foul. Defense was a bit close on that area. Inangatan na lang ni Javier. He is strong. He is a scorer. He has high basketball IQ. Missing on the first one. 4:57. Final 5 minutes. That time Javier rattles one in. Down by 2. Itong Region 2. Nice challenge. Put back. Di papasok. Parehas na attempt. Lumanag almost escaping Javier's defense. So this will be a big free throw para dito kay Buen. Gwen. 1 out of 2. 57-60. 4 minutes 30. This will be a good one. Our final game of today.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gusto.
4:30 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Cobalio gives it to Javier. Mano a mano once again. Javier attacks. Misses on that drive. A rare miss para dito kay Javier. 60-57. Lumanag. Another nice pass. That's 3 nice passes para dito kay Lumanag as he is tasked to guard Javier. Now other players need to step up. Javier is being hounded. Cobalios able to sneak in a 2-pointer. 3 minutes 20. We're approaching the twilight zone. Using this horns action. Goes for that drive. And a whistle is called for team fouls para dito sa Region 2. Misses on the first again. Needing to capitalize on those free throws. RSGT Boulders. 2 out of 4 on their last 4 attempts. (63-59). Pass was too far. (63) again, 59. Lumanag. Again, I gotta commend him. Denying Javier a chance to get that ball. Let's see if they can score a big basket. In and out on that 3. Recovered. Guys in white will give it back to Javier. No one can see this coming. Javier fading away. A foul is called on the other side. Another tough shot. As we are nearing again the highlight or the twilight zone. Javier gets that ball again. 10 seconds says the shot clock. 3. Oh! Mamba mentality. Javier has entered that Mamba zone. But a foul was called on that side. Gwen once again at the line. 2 out of 4 on their last 2 trips. Two out of 5. Three out of 6. (62-64). Cobalies. They send it on the right side. Javier being chased. Wants to get that ball. Being denied. Big shot. Won't tie the game. Javier has it. 10 seconds again on the shot clock. Javier attacks. Too strong. Need to find him. 2 seconds. Shot clock violation. (64-62). Estomo is right in front of us here. Going to the corner. Need to watch out for him. 2 points. But look at that cut by Gwen. 66-62. 4-point lead for Davao.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko.
One minute, 1 second. Davao with a 4-point lead. They need to figure something out. Talking about Region 2. May foul sa baba. Is that penalty? Yeah. Magay will be at the penalty. Pressure pack, free throws coming in. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na
Miss on the first. 55 seconds. Missing on both. Referees will call a jump. Possession will remain on the side of Region 2. Obviously, they want to go to Javier this time. But he is well crowded. Offensive rebound. Still inside the paint. And one. Cobales able to shake it off. Misses on the gimme, and another foul is called. (66-64). Misses on the second. Javier has the ball. Balik ang bola dito sa Davao. After getting that possession, they had their opportunities. Talking about Region 2. 38.5 remaining. Davao just needs to not turn the ball over, make their free throws when they are fouled, as Buen and company looking for a big win today. Oh, that three might have sealed the deal. Javier will not answer back. Estomo with the biggest shot of today. What did I tell you? You need to watch out for Estomo. He is always right in front of us here. He went into the corner. He shoot that three. And perhaps gives them that cushion. 69-64. (70-64), two-possession ball game. Estomo might have said night-night on this game.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang
9.7 to go. 6-point lead, two-possession ball game. Quick trigger, Javier. That is off the mark. And despite of the brilliant performance of Henrik Javier, still not enough. Davao started slow, finishing strong. 70-64. That will do it for our third day of elimination for the men and women behind Junior MPBL. Comkit Picasso, our officials, Gio Cruz, our game announcer, Derek Shadi Bohol. Maraming salamat po. Baron Mercado saying thank you and see you tomorrow. Final day of eliminations dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng